Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is safe and fine. Today I am here to discuss about my upcoming CA final financial reporting Saransh batch. So what is this Saransh batch? So let me first give me some brief about Saransh batch. So Saransh batch is not a regular batch. Saransh batch is not a fast batch. Normally a regular batch consists of 300 hours. Fast batch consists of 50 to 60 hours. So Saransh batch we have designed in such a way that it will consist of 150 hours, and even though it will consist of 150 hours will be completing the entire syllabus, means we'll discuss all the concept, means will not do any cutting. Correct? No cutting will be done. All the concept will be discussed, with all the questions will be also discussed. Then sir, why in regular batch you take 300 hours? In regular batch we discuss the concept in detail and will be thorough or slow. Correct? And we'll try to solve all the questions there. But here we try to solve, means there we try to solve because we need to have a practice of solving the questions. Correct? Now in this we'll solve some question, but not all questions will be solved. Some of the question will be also discussed, but we'll try to discuss the entire questions whatever we used to discuss where in our regular batch. I hope you have understood. Correct? So Saransh batch will be in between fast batch and regular batch. So it is not a fast batch, it is not a regular batch, it is in between what? Regular and fast batch. I hope you have understood. So sir, this batch will be suitable for whom? So this batch will be suitable for those students, means I will say two type of student. Those students who are writing for November 21 or maybe writing for May 22. Correct? But they feel that they have insufficient time for the preparation of all the subjects. Correct? Now insufficient time, so they can opt for this batch, because in this batch will cover the entire syllabus as well as all the questions will be also taken into care. Correct? Now so this batch will be suitable for those students who are writing for November 21 and they have not yet taken the FR syllabus, and they want to do the entire syllabus in less number of time. Second, this will be also suitable for those students who have taken FR 2 year or 3 year before. Correct? Now and now they have forgotten all the concept and they want to once again redo the entire FR syllabus but in less number of time. So this batch will be suitable for them also. Correct? Now understood? Means I'm not saying that regular batch should be substituted by this batch. Correct? Now regular batch, of course, those students who have a sufficient time and they should always opt for regular batch, but of course we should also think about those students who have less number of time due to some unusual circumstances whatever prevailing their life. Correct? Now so what I am saying, this batch can be opted by those students. Correct? So of course anyone who is appearing for November 21 or anyone who is appearing for May 22 also go for this batch. Correct? Yes sir. Now this batch is going to start from 24th of July, and two options will be given to the student. Either they can join live at home batch. Means this will be a live at home batch. So a student can opt for live batch. Correct? So they can come live at the time given. Of course this time the time will be morning 6:30 to 9:30, so they can come online and we will directly interact and will complete the entire syllabus. Correct? Now in case they are not able to see the classes at the time provided, then for that purpose we are also providing 75% hour backup. Means this total batch will be of 150 hours approximately, so 50% of viewing hour will be provided as backup. So in case they have missed the live session, so they can download the classes of the same day on the same day only, and they can listen the classes as per their time. Second option is that if suppose they do not want to listen the classes as per live session, means they are not comfortable the time whatever we are providing, so they can download the classes on the same day and they can listen as per their convenience either on the same day or any day they want to listen the classes. Correct? So that is second mode. In the second mode will provide 1.5 backup. 1.5 view backup means 1.5 hours will be 1.5 views will be provided. Correct? Yes sir. I hope you have understood. First option will be live at home with me. Second option will be recorded classes as per your convenience, as per your convenience. Of course, once the batch will be completed, we can also provide it a pen drive mode. But right now, because the batch is not recorded, so we can't provide a pen drive mode to you initially. Correct now. Once 50 hours, once the 50 hours, 150 hours will be completed, so we can provide that pen drive mode to you also. So for that, you need to wait. Correct. So this batch is going to start from which date? 24 July. This batch is applicable for which attempt? This batch will be applicable for November 21 and May 22. Of course, afterwards also, but of course, right now I will say November 21 and May 22 only. Syllabus, already I have said this will cover entire syllabus of ICA as per new syllabus. As per new syllabus. Amendment will be provided. Don't worry about amendment. It is will be our duty to provide you any amendment free of cost. Correct. For example, you are preparing for November 21, but in any case you are not writing in November 21, you are writing in May 22. So any amendment will be provided to you free of cost. Don't worry about it. Duration 150 hours, days 50 days approximately. Yes, the books will provide our regular books to you. Means no special book has been designed for this batch. Regular batch books will be provided to you. So you will be given 2 volumes of India's multicolor book. Correct. And 3 volumes of question banks comprising all the questions of ICA resource, all the questions of ICA resource. A very popular book, India's Saransh book and question bank. So will provide both the books to you. Correct. Yes sir. Coverage, it will be as per ICA revised study material, plus it will also cover RTP, MTP up to May 21. Means now it becomes July 21 exam. It will cover all the question of exam up to Jan 21 exam and other sources questions. Correct? Yes sir. I hope you have understood what is this Saransh batch. So there was one doubt ki sir, what is this Saransh batch? For that I need to come in front of you all. Correct. This batch is going to start from 24th of July. So if you want to join live session, please enroll as soon as possible. Don't worry about doubt. If you are live student, you can ask me doubt immediately, or you can ask me doubt after the classes via Telegram group, or if permitted, of course I'll give you some time, you can call me if required. Test will be also conducted after some days. The test will be also conducted. So 8 to 9 chapter wise test will be given. You need to write down the test by your own. You need to self assess by your own that test. I will not do any self assessment for that. And one grand mock test will be also given, that you can also write down and do self assessment. This was for the Saransh batch. I hope you have understood whatever I have said. Correct. If you want to if you want to have more queries about this batch, or you want to register for this batch, so contact number is given. You can contact this number. You can visit our website. All the details are provided. So of course you can register as soon as possible. Correct. Thank you very much. We'll meet soon on 24 July. Bye bye. Take care.